friends, welcome back to Shammooz Gyaan Tech Educational Tools for All. And I'm so happy today. I was able to prepare the complete tutorial of Nearpod. It's all because of the support you people extended. Thank you so much. And the last 3 videos I prepared only in English, not in Tamil and Malayalam, because I don't have any Malayalam and Tamil contents to show you. And but if you want me to prepare in Tamil and Malayalam, please let me know. I'll do it for you. In this video, we have got some sample contents added to our Nearpod. Let's go to the video.
Let us now add some sample contents and activities to our Nearpod lesson. So for this, we will go to a lesson in Nearpod. Let us name this lesson. We will go to adding a slide. And the first thing we are going to see is to add a video and how to make an interactive video in Nearpod. We'll click that option. You can either pick some video lessons from your Nearpod library itself, or you can go to YouTube and bring some videos. Here I am trying to upload my own video. It's very easy. For that, I'll have to resize my window. And I have a content here. I'll just import that content. I'll just drag and drop it. Now my video has been added. And you know that interactive video means I can add some activities at some points in the video so that learners get some questions, yes or no question or a long answer question to answer. So I'll just try. I'll play the video, and maybe at this point I need to give them a question. I will pause it there and I'll add activity at 8 seconds. So I have 2 options to add here. I can either add a multiple choice question or an open-ended question. I'll give them a multiple choice question. So when I pick that option, this is the page I get where I can enter the question. I'll add options like yes, no, and I'll add one more answer, not sure. And I think I'll select this as my right answer. If I want to drag the order of my answers, I can do that here. And I can save this question here. So my activity has been added. I'll continue with the editing. I'll play the video. I'll add an interactivity here. And I'll add an open-ended question this time. So this is something, an open-ended question, and I'll save this question there. And again I will continue with the same. Here at 32 seconds I will add another question. Why should we stay home? So this is how I can add interactive video to my lesson, and I'll now save this video. So that's how we add an interactive video to our Nearpod lesson. We will see a preview of student after we add all these sample contents and activities. Now let me show you how to add a slide. This is like a normal slide. You have to click the. You can change the themes and colors as you wish. If you want to change the layout, you have got the option here to change the layout. You have got one element, a title and one element, or a title plus two elements and everything there. If you want to change the background of that, I can give a new background like I'll search a background in Google so that I'll use this background. My background is ready. I can add a title. So I can also add some text or video or some images or some GIFs here if I need. I'll resize the window and drag and drop a video file here. Now my video file is uploading. Here I have got the option to lighten or darken my background image. Here is the option to zoom in and zoom out my background image. If I don't want this image, I can delete. If I need to give some additional instructions to my learners, I can use this audio option where I have to either record my audio or I can just upload an audio file. Now my video is ready there. And if I want to add some questions related to my video, I can have it in the next slide. I'll just save and exit. This is the third option, web content. Everyone knows that we can paste any web content, any URL there. Here I'll try to paste an assignment I want my students to do. I'll click enter and I get an option, test this link. This will take my learners to the quiz assignment. That's fine. Now let me save. Let us see the images available. This is our staff pics. Under amazing places and things, we have these images. Ancient times, we have all these images available. So this is related to environment, human body, microscopic view. I'll pick this plant cell. I'll go for a preview of that. Yes, this is the plant cell. So I think I can use this image. If I want to see a full-sized image, I can just go for the full screen view. Here I have got additional settings. I'll click done and my Nearpod 3D image is successfully added to my lesson. Let me add the next slide. And this as I discussed earlier, is really helpful for STEM subjects. PHET simulation, and these are the simulations. You have the staff peaks, the categories math, elementary school, math, middle school, high school, and everything science. I'll just see what's there in math elementary school. Well, I'll take this balance me balancing act. I'll include that. I'll just go for a preview of this. Now our balancing act is ready. If you want to set timer, you can set your timer here. And for music, to enable and disable the music, you can use this. I'll just try this first level. Just we'll see what's there in the first level. First level is that balance me. I've got 15 kgs here and 15 kgs here. I have to just pick and keep it somewhere so that it has to balance itself. And let me now check. Oh god, that's not right. I need to try again. Maybe since it's somewhere here, I'll have to move this somewhere here. Oh no. An option show answer. I'll start over. I've got 20 kgs and I will pick this 20 kg and place it somewhere here. I think this time I'll not go wrong. Yes, I'm right. So I'll go to the next level. What will happen? That's the question. What will happen? I have got 10 kgs here, 15 kgs here. What would happen? Obviously, this is the thing that's going to happen. I'll just check. So this is elementary science and that's why I can do all these things. So I think I will add this activity for my learners. So when I click done, PHET simulation was successfully added. Now we will try to add a field trip. So I have to search the destinations I like. Let me take you to Switzerland. This is powered by 360-degree cities. And here I'll pick this train station and I will add an activity for my learners. I'll just go for a preview. So here I can just see what's there in the train station. I think I'll give them a compare and contrast activity so that my learners can compare some train stations in India and this train station. And here I will add a BBC video. I've got so many options there. I think I'll go to innovation and technology and add this robots playing games. Done. If I want, I can go for a preview. Now I don't want to waste my time. So that's a BBC activity I have added there. I can give some activities to my learners based on this. Let me add another slide now. Sway is nothing but a product from Microsoft which helps you to prepare slides that are visually appealing. I can just click there. I can select anything from this. Here I have the option to create a newsway as well. So for this you require a Office 365 account. I think for the time being I will add this Thomas Jefferson. I'll go for a preview of Thomas Jefferson. So here I'll go for the full screen view. I can scroll down to see more. So here this is how I can see all my slides. I'll add this way. Now I'll try the option slideshow. For slideshow, I can either choose some images from my system or my drive or Dropbox or OneDrive, or else I can search images here. I can include images or PPT or PDF files. I can just drag and drop. I'll now just try to include some images from Google. I'll search happy babies so that I can give them an activity related to their childhood. So I have got some options here. I'll pick those images I require. This baby is crying, and here I have a happy baby. So I'll pick some images and include, save those images, and my slideshow is ready. Shall we go for a preview of my slideshow? Hi, my happy babies. Wow. Adding an audio is also very easy. I'll resize my window. I'll pick a video audio. I'll select the audio I need to upload and I'll just drag and drop it here. It's done. And again, the same thing with PDF viewer. You can upload any PDF there. I have some PDFs with me in my system. For that, I'll resize my window. I'll pick this PDF This Week in Science and I'll drop it there. Shows uploading my PDF, and if I don't want, I can delete it at any moment. So here I have added all those contents to my Nearpod slide.
Thanks a lot for watching the video.